Hi, and welcome to another baking with me thing. Let's go. Anyway, hi. I am Lillian, and today I'm going to be making a moist banana bread recipe. It's a never done before type thing, you know, it's just so extravagant. And I totally made that recipe and didn't get it from a website. Honesty. Anyway, ingredients, 3 very ripe bananas, medium or large. Got 2. The third one went bad. So we're just gonna do with 2 and do a little bit extra vanilla. 1/2 cup unsalted butter, a tablespoon, at room temperature. Where's the butter? So seemingly like all of these go. I don't know how this has become a pattern that whenever I film myself baking, something goes wrong, and then when I don't, something doesn't go wrong.
But here we are.
This is all the butter we have. We don't have any sticks. So we're gonna do a measuring technique called guesstimation. 3/4 cup granulated sugar, 2 large eggs lightly beaten, 1 1/2 cups all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking soda. So I'm kind of using all of our baking soda at the moment as a stand for my phone. It's there, you just can't see it. Trust me on this.
We have baking soda.
Unlike the
Butter.
salt. And 1 1/2, no, not 1, just 1/2 teaspoon vanilla extract. And then 1 cup of chocolate chips. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Grease and flour a bread loaf pan. So I'm a responsible citizen of the world. And I turn the fan on when I have the oven on. So now that's gonna be going for the whole rest of this time, and Trixie just meowed at me. It is not dinner time yet.
You have a half hour.
Trixie doesn't like the fan. But anyway, apologies if it gets hard to understand me, or if you are just generally annoyed by the sound of a fan like I am.
I hate it.
But you know what? It's better than burning the house down. Safety. So this is not clean. Oh my god. Cleaning.
Someone doesn't do it before you.
Don't want gross banana bread. Anyway, we are going to mash the bananas until the consistency of chunky. Oh my god, these bananas have fused together. These are literally fused together. Why is this making me laugh? They're just. How did I not notice this? Look at this stuff. This shouldn't be making me laugh. Why are they fused together? Oh, banana juice just squirted. Ew, banana juice! Oh my god! Banana juice! Oh!
Banana juice.
I don't know what's happening anymore. These are strange bananas, but you know what? We don't judge a banana based off of its appearance. We judge it through the heart, what it has on the inside, and if it tastes good, then it's good. Okay, so we're gonna mash these. Just imagine there's a third banana in here, but they were not triple conjoined twins. They were not conjoined triplets. They were just conjoined twins. This is bananas, and they're mashed. I love mashed bananas, because then they get turned into yummy bread and muffins, and banana is yummy. So we're gonna have to move over to the stand mixer. I may have done things a little out of order, and I just read mash the bananas, and I mashed them. I follow instructions, just maybe not in the order that they're supposed to be done. So let's go over to the stand mixer. Here we are by the stand mixer. It's kind of a weird angle, but gotta cream the butter and sugar. So yay, let's do that. All right, now that we have all that together, let's cream it. There you have it, it's creamed. Can't see it, but gotta take my word for it. So now what we are going to do is add the bananas to this and beat the 2 eggs and add that to this. So I might actually move from my phone to set up because it's not really, I didn't realize I'd be over at the stand mixer for so long. So let's do that first. So the camera has now been moved. It took me a lot longer than I care to admit. But yeah, let's go ahead and add the bananas and the eggs in. Now that I'm looking at it more, I feel like the creamed butter and sugar looks like cauliflower. Don't know why. All right, now that we have the what's all mixed together, I am going to go ahead and clean the bowl that we used to mash the bananas so that I can mix up the dry ingredients and not dirty more bowls, because we love efficiency. And here we have a clean bowl ready for the dry ingredients. And I'm going to quick move back to where I was set up before, because this is a very awkward setup and I have to bend down so that my head doesn't get cut off. All right, so I have gone ahead and I added the 1 teaspoon of baking soda so that I can resume my little setup. And the next step is 1.5 cups flour. I can do that. Half a cup is really big. Do you ever wonder why like glasses like cups and stuff like aren't actually like a cup? Like I feel like cups should be
A cup.
like it would make more sense. I don't understand why the standard cup size is 8 ounces. Like why did we do that in ounces and not cups? Well, because cups aren't meant for liquid, but like cups are meant for liquid, but cups aren't meant for liquid. I don't understand the logic of Americanism. That's probably something completely different. I don't know. That's a word now. And I have my own definition of it because I don't know any other definition. Making up words. Okay, now that we have 1.5 cups flour, we can add the 1/2 teaspoon of salt. But, you know, I love salt. So, this isn't coming out as dramatically as I thought it was going to. Now I've lost track of how much I've already put in this.
Why aren't you coming out?
You're gay. You know, kids, you shouldn't ever tell anyone who to be or what to be. But if something isn't coming out, sometimes you just gotta tell them before they even realize it themselves that they're gay. Also, before any queers come after me in the comments, I am queer. Yeah. All right, now that I have whisked this, I don't know why that's a fun word, whisked, I'm going to add it to the batter and mix it, and I will be back once I have the whole batter. Yeah. Yay! So I'm back, clean up the space a bit, and we have the batter! Look at it! Yeah, now the next step is vanilla extract and chocolate chips. I mean, the recipe does technically say walnuts and raisins, but like those are gross. I'm not a big fan of raisins, and I am not a fan of walnuts. I'm not a fan of like any really nuts. I mostly just like peanut butter, and that's kind of it. But even then, if someone was like, here's some peanuts, I'd be like, no, just no. I just don't think nuts are really all that flavorful, and the shell hurts. It hurts. But yeah, that's my reasoning. Claim evidence reasoning. Ooh, these are big chocolate chips, and they're dark chocolate. Also, dark chocolate is the best type of chocolate. If you are a fan of milk chocolate, then you're fine. You can still stay. But if you say that white chocolate is good or that white chocolate is the best type of chocolate, go leave. Go right now. You are an abomination to society. White chocolate is the absolute worst type of chocolate. It is this close from being on the heat and the scale to being butterscotch, and you took that away from society by investing in white chocolate. I hate white chocolate. Gotta fold in the chocolate chips and vanilla extract. I probably should have mixed the vanilla extract before I added the chocolate chips, but I'm just realizing that now, and there's no going back, because you can only add in baking. You can't take away, except you can sort of take away the fun if you don't like baking. Any more chocolate chips? I want to eat it. I'll eat it soon enough. So now is the time where I get to put this in the pan, bake it in the oven, and while that's happening, I get to make dinner because I have something going on tonight, and I'm gone from 6 to 9, so I have to eat dinner early, like really weirdly early, like at 5, and it's 4:55 right now. Yeah, let's pour this batter. All right, so I have spread it around, and now I'm just gonna drop it a few times to get all the bubbles out. That's a tip I learned when we made macarons in France. If you don't already do it, I highly recommend dropping your brownie batter, or, well, not just batter, it needs to be in a container. Brownies, cookies, macarons, bread, pan, just like tap it a few times on the counter or on the side, and it'll pop all the bubbles out so that you don't get any air pocket. there we go. I'm going to put it in the oven and I will see you once it's finished. Okay, the bread is done. I am very tired, but I'm remembering to film my reactions, so. I approve this recipe. Link will be in the description. Credit to, forget the name of the thing, but I'll put it up here. Thanks for sticking around. Bye.